I've got unlimited battery and unlimited memory.
No, it's showing us when the...
Still got less time.
It's not like they gave one break. I nearly ripped your leg off, didn't I, on that ride? The leg off ride. When it goes on to be like,
You can see in the photo what you're saying as well. That's cool.
So when we go to Taylor, I call that plane especially.
Yeah.
Then we worked out it was...
Oh, shadow. Muppets. Hold on to your spleen, boys. Oh, I didn't know they had 2 runways here.
Yep, down the way.
Oh look, there's a plane on the runway there, look.
Touchdown.
That was alright. I do it on purpose. Like.
Oh my god.
Maybe it's in the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Palmas Airport on the island of Gran Canaria. The local time is 18 minutes past 8, that's the same as the time in the UK. While we taxi to our parking area, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Only then is it safe to leave your seat. When collecting personal belongings, please make sure you've got everything with you, especially items from the seat pocket in front of you. Any items left on the aircraft will be handed over to our agents here, not taken back to Bristol. Do be careful when retrieving your hand luggage from the overhead compartments, as this may have moved during the flight. If you checked in a child's buggy, you'll be able to collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall. If you've requested assistance, please remain seated until the majority of other customers have disembarked, and the crew will then be happy to assist you. If you're travelling with First Choice 20 Sky Tours, Just or Simply Travel, look out for the Thomson Airport team. They'll direct you towards the next stage of your journey. If you booked a transfer with us and have since decided to make your own way to your hotel, please let one of the airport team know to avoid any unnecessary transfer delays. We're moving with the times too. You've told us you'd like to be able to choose when you want to speak to us and how you do it. So when it comes to contacting us during your holiday, you can give us a call, drop us a text, or send us an email. In fact, if you want to send us a message and ask us to call you back in your hotel room, we'll do that too. Getting in touch with us has never been easier. It goes without saying our flexible service is available around the clock. Holidays aren't 9 to 5, so neither are we. Look out for the 24/7 holiday line. Details in your arrival information. On behalf of Captain Andrew Ward and the crew on board today, it's been our pleasure having you on board and looking after you. Have a super holiday here, and we look forward to hearing all about it on your return flight in a week or two from now. Good evening, and thank you for flying with Thomson Airways.